How to turn off VoiceOver on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. From here, go to the Vision section at the top and tap on VoiceOver. VoiceOver speaks items shown on the screen. On this page, turn off the VoiceOver feature at the top. This way, you can turn on or turn off this feature according to your preference. The VoiceOver feature reads the screen of your iPhone and allows you to interact with your device through verbal feedback and gestures, so turning it off will disable those perks. Following these steps, you can easily turn off VoiceOver on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.